Hi everyone, it's Aneida and I'm back. Well, I was recording on how to do this. I got it recorded, but I kept putting pause and coming back to it. In one incident, I started recording again to talk again, and then I walked away because I said, let me go get something, and I didn't put it on pause. And when it went over like almost 30 minutes. So I know that I won't be able to download that video in its full. So I'm gonna cut that video to the point where I finished. So that's gonna be video 1. And this is gonna be video 2. I'm so sorry, um, just when I think I got things together and working fine, something always, a bloop happens. So this is a bloop. Anyway, so I added the plants, the greenery, and I think it looks so pretty like that. And then, so like I had said on the first video, I'm gonna E600 and hot glue it to this right here. So it'll be a permanent piece. And then in the future, I'll do another video where I'll show you all the pieces that I've made and how I display them around my house. How's that? Okay, so what I went out to the room to get was because I love birds and I wanted to incorporate a bird in here. So I have bought these birds at home goods. No, at home, not at home goods, at home. And these are, aren't they so, they're so cute. It's so well made and everything. So I got 2 of these green ones and 2 of these pink ones. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my gosh, I love it. So hummingbirds, that's what I was trying to think. So I was planning on adding them. So one will represent my husband and one is gonna represent me. And so I'm gonna like stick them in here. It is gonna go in the bedroom. So I think it'll be cute somehow. So what I did with this one, I stuck one of those flower stems in the belly that it already has a hole, where they had these clips that you could like attach. But this one, I didn't realize it didn't come with a clip. It must have fallen out. So I'm gonna hot glue this to the bird and then stick it in the foam, and then I'll pinch this one to one of the plants. So that's what I'm gonna do. I also have these yellow ones. I have a lot of them in different colors, from the Dollar Tree, from Walmart, from Hobby Lobby, from all over. I love birds. So that's what I'm gonna use. And but it's 3 minutes. I think I could do it. You're just gonna have to see 2 videos, and I hate that. I know everybody's time is precious, and I don't mean to be taking a lot of your time, because I know there's so many wonderful videos out there, and I don't want to be hogging any time. I want my equal time, but So let me see. I think that glue got cold. Yeah, but it'll work. I plugged it right back. Sometimes it happens, some people, they're recording and they lose videos, and they lose part of the important video, and it could be a little pain. It's part of life, I guess. So this one, got too much Spanish moss in here. There it goes. It's not going in. So, I don't know. What do you think? Maybe I don't need it. It doesn't even show. Unless I put it on top. But to put it on top, I will have to put it on longer dowels. And hot glue it to dowels. Okay, I'm gonna put it on pause and come back. Okay, cool. I was gonna go get dowels, but I was like, oh, if I get dowels, I gotta paint them, blah, blah, blah. But I had saved these. Thank God I saved them. These are from the lamb's ears. And I had saved them because I love the way they're furry like that. And I'm like, you know, this could use this for something in the future. And voila! Woo. It's cool. Love it. So let's take this one out. The glue is going, so let me glue this one here. And I'll glue the point. Shove it in there. That's a foam. Okay. That's good. Look how cute. And I could bend it. So, like so. Now, let me do the same with the pink one. Now, the pink one has that little clip, but I'm going to take it out. That way I could do the same. Oh, it got a little messy there when I pulled it out, but it's okay. I'm gonna use this thing from the flower and it'll cover the boo-boo. Hopefully. This part here from the flower. I'm trying to be this here. Let's see. So let's see if this works. Okay. And then I could stick. Oh, my doggy is barking. Well, that means my husband is home. Okay, so I did that. My husband is home. And I'm going to stick it right in there. That's good. So you don't even see the damage. And then I'll bend it also as well. And we'll stick it right in here with glue. And then in the future, I'll show you how it looks in my bedroom. Okay? God bless you. Thank you for tuning in. And I'm going to link video 1 to this video. And that way you could see the whole thing from the start. I'm so sorry. Okay, have a blessed day. Take care. Bye-bye. Sorry, my dog is barking. Daddy's home.